Okay. Exercise 1.1 already completed. Exercise 1.2 MCQ as well as question number B 1 and 2 done. Yesterday in the last class I taught you about one construction, that is from example 3. Locate root 2 on the number line. I'll repeat again this one. Today whatever I'll teach, these are all construction. To locate root 2, root 3, root 5, root 7, even root 11 on the number line, this is the system. I'll repeat the system once, listen carefully. First you will draw one line from 0. Since 1 centimeter gap is too small, let us take 2 centimeter gap. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 like that. Then in the middle you mark 0. Here 1, 2, left side -1, -2. Where you have written 1, there you mark capital A, point A. Now, with the help of protractor, at A point we will draw one perpendicular. We can use compass also for this purpose, but compass using will be more congested. That's why by putting protractor we will measure 90 degree perpendicular. Then you will make this line. After that, with the help of your compass, you can take this measurement 0 to A. Put the compass at A point. Up to 0 you take the measurement. That's your 1 unit. Then from A point you cut the line. Then join this one by scale. This is 1 unit, this also 1 unit. By Pythagoras theorem you can calculate. This will be your root 2. Now with the help of your compass, from 0 you can measure up to B. That is your root 2. Then make one arc. The arc should fall on the line. Where it is falling, that point you can circle it. That will be your root 2. By this way we can locate root 2 on the number line. Now next example, locate root 3 on the number line. To make it root 3, first we need previous number, that is root 2. Rule is same. First draw one line from 0 onwards. Then I told you to keep 2 centimeter gap. So 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Keep it to 2 centimeter gap and mark it. After marking, middle one you mark by 0. This is 1, this is 2, -1, -2. Where is written 1, there you mark by A. Then put the protractor there and draw one perpendicular 90 degree. Then by scale you make the perpendicular. Then by using your compass you measure this 0 to A measurement. From here you cut. This also 1 unit, this also 1 unit. Join this OB. This will be your root 2. But we are making root 3 now. For that, turn the copy. Over of this OB, at B point you make the perpendicular. Over of OB, at B point draw 90 degree with the help of protractor. Make the line. Again by compass you measure 1 unit. From B point, by measuring 1 unit, you please cut. Mark this one by C. Join C to O. This will be your root 3. By Pythagoras theorem, we can calculate also. Since root 3 is over, then from 0, you measure root 3 first. By measuring root 3, from C point, you make the arc. Where the arc will fall, that will be your root 3. Round it, mark by root 3. Listen the videos again and again and construct this in a proper way. One more construction I will teach you. Exercise 1.2, question number B3. So, how root 5 can be represented on the number line? Now root 5. Same way, you make the line. From 0 you make one straight line. By keeping 2 centimeter gap you mark 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Here you put 0. Left side -1, -2 will be enough. But right side at least up to 1, 2, 3 you mark. Then where is written 1 you mark by A. Put the compass at A point. Draw the perpendicular 90 degree by protractor, not by compass. So make 90 degree. After making 90 degree, as it is, rule is same. measure 0 to A. Then from A point you cut this by 1 unit measurement. Mark this one by B. This is 1, this also 1. Join this OB. That will be your root 2. Again, at B point, you can make perpendicular a 90 degree over of OB. Make the perpendicular. After making perpendicular, by using 1 unit measurement, that is 0 to A, from B point, you cut this perpendicular. That will be your C point. Join C to O. That will be your root 3. Again, take your protractor over of OC. At C point, you make perpendicular. Over of OC, at C point, you make perpendicular. Then by taking 1 unit measurement, from C point, again cut this. That will be your D point. D to O, join it. That will be your root 4. We need to find out root 5. So again by protractor over of OD, at D point you make the perpendicular 90 degree. Make the perpendicular. After that by compass, again 1 unit measurement you take 0 to 1. From D point cut this. Where it is cutting, mark by E. Join E to O. That is your root 5. So root 2, root 3, root 4, root 5. Same way you have to move on. Every time you take 1 unit measurement to cut this one and join it. First joining will be root 2, second root 3, third root 4, then root 5. After completion of root 5, by using your compass, you take the measurement of root 5, that is 0 to E. Take this measurement. Then make one arc. Where the arc will fall, that point will be your root 5. So here you can round it, you can mark by root 5. So today I taught you root 2, root 3, root 5. Please complete this construction in your class copy properly. In the next class I'll teach you root 7. Again root 11 also is there. With this I'll conclude today. Bye.